What I have here is a 3-page questionnaire with check boxes. Not yet, but squares for check boxes. We have 10 questions on each page. And I'll show you how to do this. First, press Control Shift 7, and that brings you into the field editing mode. Just say no to that and close that. I'm going to put a checkbox right here. Call it points. Right click. Actually, let's go into properties. Options. Export value. Yes, I'm going to put that as 1. Number 1. I'm going to right click. Create multiple copies. We're going to do 30 down and 1 across. And you'll notice this changed the name from points to point decimal 0, decimal 1, all the way to 29. I'm going to move these fields into place here. They're all going, the first 10 anyways, are going into the first column. And I'm just moving them in order, like so. And there's one more to go. And this is 0.9 because it started with 0. I'm going to cut 10 of these fields out for the next page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Control X I'm going to press. That's cut. Go to the next page. Control V. I paste them. Go back. Drag my mouse around these. Select them all. Control X. I cut them. Go to the last page. Control V. And I paste them. Go back to first page. So these are all lined up. Actually not perfectly, so I'm just gonna fix that. I'll drag my mouse around all of them. Then I'll just choose one that looks pretty well aligned to the left. I'll go with this one. I'll right click, align left. They're all lined up now perfectly. Now I'm going to press Control C. I just copied all of those because they're all selected. Control V, I just pasted them. Because I copied from the way they're spaced there, I can move the entire row this time. So I only have to line up basically one field and they all line up. While they're selected, I'm going to change the export value for all of them by changing it for 1. So this will be all 2s now. I'll press Control V again. So I'm still pasting from that original copy of the first column. Line those up, it's really easy. Properties, export value 3 this time. When they're all selected and I change it for 1, it changes for all of them. Control V again, paste. Line up, easy. Right click, properties, export value is going to be 4. And we have one more column to paste. And move into position. Right click, properties, export value 5. I'll pause the video and go line up those other pages. Okay, I've done the other pages now. I've lined up all the fields. I've copied, pasted, change the export values. And so what you have here is each row, the field names are exactly the same. It's points decimal 0 for these. And these will be decimal 1. See it there? So they have the same names, but they actually have different export values. So this is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now when you have the same name and a different export value with checkboxes, that makes them mutually exclusive, meaning you can only check one in this row at a time. So if I check this one, it's 5 points, 4 points, 3 points, uncheck it, it's 0. So what I'm going to do is press Control-Shift-7 again. I'm going to make a text box right here. I'm just going to call it total. Let's call that total. And because it's going to be a number, I'm just going to justify that. In calculate, I'm going to check this value is the sum. You have a product, average, minimum, maximum. Just going to go with the sum. It's going to add them all up. I'll click pick. And so you see that total field. It will list all of the fields here. Right now we just have these points check boxes. You also see one that just says points. That's actually all of the check boxes that start with points. So all I have to do is click that one. I don't have to go click all of these. I could, but I only need to click the one. Click OK. See that go to 0 because it just added everything up and nothing's checked, so it's 0. So let's test it out. Remember, this column is 5 points, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 15, 10. 2 times 5, 10. If I go here, it's 6. It's 5 and 1. Here it's 2, 1, 2. Now if I try to change this, let's put the number 50 in there, and I just tab out of that. It goes back to 2. So there's no use being able to type in this. It's just going to revert back to the calculated value. So what you do is just go in here, General tab, click Read Only, and then nobody can type in there. I'm just going to copy this field on every page, and I'm doing that with Control-C, Control-V. So now it's on every page. It's the same total. It's not the total for the page, it's the grand total. 12, 17, 16, 15, 14. And that's it. That's how you do that. Hopefully there's some shortcuts in there for you. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below. Or any suggestions, what you want me to cover, I'm all ears. Alright, see you next time.